More big news coming in from Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister and LG now to meet at 11 a.m. today to discuss the COVID situation. After that, the Delhi Chief Minister will be addressing the media at 12 p.m. Now, what's alarming is that Delhi's positivity rate is now risen to 30%. Anisha joining us live for more details on that. Anisha, take us through what exactly would be discussed in this meeting. Delhi Chief Minister and LG now to be meeting at 11 a.m. at a time when positivity rate is hitting 30%. Delhi Chief Minister accusing that the centre is diverting all the oxygen supply and medicines to other states, depriving Delhi of their due.
Well, yes, this morning is going to be a very, very important meeting. We've seen the kind of numbers in Delhi that has been seeing a very, very steady jump. Even today, more than 25,000 new cases. And what we are seeing now is frantic preparations to deal with these numbers. As of 9 a.m. this morning, there were hardly any ICU beds and ventilators available in the city. This morning, the Sardar Patel COVID Care Centre run by the Army that has started its operation, adding 300 beds, including 50 ICU beds to the city. I'm currently at the Shakur Basti railway station, where the railways had handed over coaches just yesterday to the Delhi government to use as isolation coaches for corona patients. These also include some that can be used as ICU coaches as well, but mostly they are for mild patients. But what we are seeing is that across the city, hospitals are struggling for medication, for beds, for oxygen, and that is going to be the biggest concern of the Delhi government on how to tackle these numbers. We also saw market associations, including the CAIT, saying that they agree to a lockdown if it is needed, to agree to shut down markets if it is needed.
Right.
That is something that Delhi could be going towards now after the weekend curfew. We've seen so many people trying to break the weekend curfew. So it is possible that stricter measures may be taken in the capital city. And so effectively what the LG and the CM are going to be discussing are two things. What to do about oxygen and hospital beds, and two, should Delhi go under a lockdown again? But that is going to be very difficult, because the lockdown, if it is created at all, will only affect the markets, etc. You see the kind of response from the people, however, is still very, very disheartening.
Right.
Around here, this area is Shakur Basti, Punjabi Bagh and the other areas. Hardly any people are maintaining distancing. Masks
Absolutely,
are
Anisha.
not being worn properly. So that is going to be something that the government has to be taking care of. Back to you.
Well, undoubtedly, this is the time that Delhi is seeing a sharp surge, 30% positivity rate, indeed a matter of concern and worry. Lockdown, weekend lockdown, has it really played a role in curbing the cases? Clearly, at least so far, it hasn't shown results. Will there be stricter measures that will be taken up? The meeting will decide.